Today we are looking at a 3D printed plastic vise that can be used on a drill press or on a bench. The design utilizes metal hardware and PETG filament. It also has a skirt each side that allows the vise to be clamped to a workbench. The use of metal hardware gives the vise greater strength and smoother operation. The following is a summary of the hardware required. I'm using 2 support plates that I happen to have. You can either fabricate these from flat bar or just use heavy-duty washers. The slide is driven by a single heavy-duty washer that is sandwiched between 2 nuts on the M8 bolt that is 110mm long. This is a correction from the original 105mm. The jaw inserts are held on by M6 bolts. The fixed jaw and the moving jaw have slightly different lengths. The vise body is held together by 2 M6 bolts 150mm long. 4 M5 cap screws are used on the moving jaw, and 1 M5 cap screw is used on the handwheel. You will also need an assortment of nuts and washers. I have chosen to build this vise using stainless steel fasteners, as they are not that more expensive than plated fasteners. Assemble the handwheel by inserting the M5 cap screw 25mm long into the inner spacer, then into the outer hand grip. Use some Loctite on the end of the cap screw to keep it attached to the handwheel. Tighten the cap screw into the handwheel. The handwheel has an M5 bolt embedded into it. The handwheel has a hex recess. To accept the driving M8 hex bolt, insert the 110mm long bolt, press on the end cap onto the handwheel. The base plate has an M8 nut embedded into it and will be the main drive mechanism of the vise. Screw the bolt into the vise base plate from the side where the name is printed. Now screw on 1 nut, then the heavy-duty washer, then the second nut. Position the end nut so that it projects slightly further than the end of the bolt. Using 2 spanners, lock the nuts up against each other. Now to assemble the moving jaw, grab the main moving body and find the matching jaw inserts. The moving jaw inserts have a chamfer, not a radius. Attach the jaw insert using 2 M6 by 30mm long bolts with washers. Tighten down, but not excessively. Insert the drive washer into the moving jaw. Check that it is free to turn, should not bind up. Insert the moving jaw clamp and insert the 4 M5 cap screws. Tighten the fasteners. Attach the jaw inserts to the main body of the vise using 2 M6 by 25mm long bolts with washers. These jaw inserts have the full radius. Assemble the main body to the sliding jaw. Insert the 2 M6 hex bolts with washers. If you are using the support plates, insert these now, or use heavy-duty washers. Tighten the nuts to hold the 2 pieces of the vise together. Firm, but not over tight. When the jaws are touching, there should still be some thread available on the drive mechanism.
When printing, the program will pause when it is time to insert the nuts. This model was printed on a Bamboo Labs A1 printer using Bamboo Labs PETG HF filament. Press resume when all the nuts are in place.
The files are freely available on MakerWorld.